Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the UMax app. First, navigate to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for UMax. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, open it and proceed to create your new account. You can register using your email address or conveniently link an existing social media profile. After successful registration, take a moment to personalize your profile and set your initial preferences to tailor your experience right from the start. Now, let's dive into the core features that make UMax so powerful. The app's dashboard is designed for easy navigation, presenting all essential functions at your fingertips. You'll find a prominent search bar at the top, allowing you to locate any specific content, tools, or information with just a few taps. Don't forget to explore the interactive elements, such as engaging polls and vibrant community forums, where you can connect with other users and share your insights. These features are central to maximizing your app experience. To truly get the most out of your UMax app, consider these advanced tips. First, fine-tune your notification settings. You can choose to receive alerts for specific updates or activities, ensuring you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Next, explore the integration options. UMax can often connect with other popular applications, streamlining your workflow and enhancing overall functionality. Finally, if you're looking for an even richer experience, consider exploring the premium features, which unlock an expanded suite of tools and exclusive content designed to elevate your usage. Even with the best apps, you might occasionally encounter a question or need assistance. For immediate help, navigate to the in-app help section, which contains comprehensive FAQs and detailed user guides. If your issue requires more personalized attention, don't hesitate to contact our dedicated customer support team directly through the app. They are available to assist you. Additionally, remember to visit the official UMax website for the latest updates, announcements, and a wealth of community resources to further support your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.